Tata Tiago first service at 7,500 kilometers, rupees 1,755. Second service at 15,000 kilometer, 1,755. Third service at 22,500 kilometers, rupees 2,755. Fourth service at 30,000 kilometer, rupees 3,155. Fifth service at 37,500 kilometers, 2,755. Sixth service at 45,000 kilometers, rupees 3,717. Tata Tiago engine oil rupees 1,505. Oil filter 250, air filter 550, brake oil 112, spark plug 300. Approximate service cost for Tata Tiago from first to sixth service 15,892 rupees.